Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Commodities Update video. And today we'll be looking at natural gas, UNG, oil, US dollar, gold, and silver. We're looking at their technical analysis as well as resistance and support levels, and potentially the most likely scenario where price will be heading into later this week. And if you guys learned anything from the video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get started. So we're looking at natural gas on the daily time frame. So this is NatGas futures, and at the adjusted chart, so we don't have the contract gaps. I look at both charts, but let's start with the adjusted one. So right now, the teal looking line, which is this teal looking line, is EMA 12. It's still acting as resistance. You can see on the way down, perfect rejection right there, once, twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we finally got over it, but no follow through here. Now we're below it. It's acting as resistance again. You can see rejection there on Tuesday, and another rejection here again on Thursday today. So we still not over the teal looking line, as well as we're not over this blue looking line, and we're not over this black looking line. So the black looking support is this support here, bounce, bounce, and you can see bounce there as well, bounce here as well. And now we're below it, and we have not closed above it ever since then for the last 3 days. So first step for bulls, get over this black looking line, get over this blue one, and above the 12 EMA. That's just the near term resistance that we want to get back above. Only like, 1.5%. We did slightly get over above it, but we have not closed above it the last 3 days, 4 days. So yeah, so let's see if we can bare minimum. This is like the bare minimum for bulls. See, we have an hourly uptrend here, and very small one here, but yeah. So once we get an hourly uptrend going, ideally we want to break above this high, this reaction high. But other than that, yeah, let's just see if we can get over this, this wall of resistance that we formed lately. That was prior support. Pretty much you can see support, support, and now just a wall of resistance, So much those three mini levels that I talked about, we need to get over. It's only 1.5% away. If bulls can't do that, we're not going anywhere. We're not even going to retest this 1.933, which we have been rejecting from last month. You can see 5 rejections here and another rejection here. So still not over that. And if we keep on just making lower lows and not making any kind of higher highs, we're just going to keep on grinding down. Although we are at historical lows, so not much downside, but we can still come down to even like 1.5, right? Even if that's like 14% away, quite a bit. So not much downside, but still quite a bit of downside if we measure it out, right? You can come back to 1.45. These are the blue lines are the historical lows, and so yeah, I don't think we're gonna break this black looking line, this one. So that's about a 6% away, but who knows? Anything can happen in natural gas, especially the way it drops. But yeah, so far we would bounce off of it, and continue to bounce off of it, then it'll keep holding. So there's a big, kind of like a big falling wedge until it breaks out of that. And be trading within it. And bulls just need to step up here, get back above this, so we can potentially test that 1.99 again. So if we break out of this falling wedge bull, then it's a good sign that we'll come up to test this 1.99. But as of now, let's see if we can break above the EMA 12. Our UNG, similar idea. 8-hour EMA 12 is UNG's resistance for the 12 EMA. Rejection, 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 rejection. And same chop at that natural gas, where now we're below it. Another rejection, another rejection. So we'll just see if we can get over it. If natural gas can get over its daily EMA 12, UNG will also get over this level of resistance, potentially hit higher. And if NatGas can get to 1.99, UNG will likely test this area of resistance as well, close to this blue line. We'll see if NatGas futures can step up a little bit and get something going. But as of now, bears are still absolute full control, as long as we don't get over any of the resistance. All right, let's look at, let's see, oil here. And if you guys like to support the channel, feel free to go to the Patreon link, and you guys can support the free channel and the free Discord link as well. It's in the YouTube bio or in the description. Just click it, come chat, hang out, talk about stocks. And if you guys are looking for coaching, check out the Patreon link if you want to master how to be consistent, profitable trader. And because trading is a long-term game. All right, let's take a look at oil. Oil, so big enough drop now. So I talked about this where it was no red flags here at the moment until we start to get a big enough drop. Now, bear have room to confirm downtrends. So even if we get a slight bounce, there's a lot of room now where bears can make a lower high and make a lower low to confirm a downtrend. So we'll see how that goes. So if we get a shallow bounce, that's probably going to be what's going to happen. And if we get another leg down, then it's starting to look like a head and shoulders. Big one, actually. And so head and shoulders is just an uptrend into a downtrend. We're watching to see if we get another leg down here. And then, potentially bounce and then hit that resistance again at this 78.64 level. So far, it's holding as support. So if we get another leg down, it's likely going to act as resistance when we come up. And that will be a potential head and shoulders look that happens. All right, let's take a US dollar. US dollar here. Still ripping. No signs of red flag yet. One red day yesterday, but today, just spotted up. This could be a bull flag here. Yeah, daily bull flag at the moment. Barely retraced to 0.382 yet. We have to come all the way down to 105.5 and break below that for a bull flag to be negated. As of now, even if we come down all the way here, it's still a bull flag. And it will just be like that, flagging. And then once it breaks out of the prior candle, and breaks above the prior high, it's a confirmed bull flag. So now we'll see if that shapes up. And if it confirms that bull flag and breaks above, we'll be looking at this high. And see if we can break above this structure's high. If it ends up failing the bull flag and goes lower, we're potentially looking at back down to 105 level here. Gold. Gold is also just chilling on the high of the range. We can say there is some resistance here, but it's currently just chilling here. This could very easily just go sideways and then rip up higher at the moment. And so right now, still no red flags. No red flags at all on this all the way up here for gold. So as long as we trade within the zone, bulls are very happy after such a big move, and we're just consolidating at high of this range. That's a very good sign for the bulls. Even if we pull back a little bit slightly back down here, it's fine. Probably gonna, if we just chop within this zone, I'll be perfectly happy for the bulls. For you bears, we are making a lower close every day. Sorry, not lower close. We're not getting over the high of prior day here for the last 3 days. That's just like the tiniest red flag here, but that's nothing at this moment. But it's just something to note. You see each candle is just slightly lower, but that's not big a deal at all. Zero. But it could just also flag up as well and then go higher. At this moment, clearly that there was some resistance up here, but that's it for now because we're in all-time high territories. So no clear resistance. Silver, a lot more clear. You can see we are trading at below this 29.76 range of resistance. Resistance from this prior high here. And we're also just consolidating. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, in the range as well. So as long as it's trading in the range, it's no big deal. But silver is slightly weaker. You can see we made a big upper wick for the last 2 days. So silver is looking a little bit more potentially a little bit less good looking chart than gold. But still no red flags. We can still come back up tomorrow because it's still within the range. And this is obviously a very all-time resistance, and we'll see if it continues. As long as we don't break below the prior pivots, these pivots, then daily uptrend is intact. So if come down and we start breaking these pivots, then we'll start to shape up more of a red flag. A big enough room for bears to confirm daily downtrends if that happens. Now we don't have that yet. Pivots are still intact. So we'll see if bulls can bounce right pretty much at this spot tomorrow. It's 28.1 range here. All right, that's all for you guys. And feel free to like, share, and subscribe. You guys made this far, learn anything. And feel free to book that 15-minute free call if you guys want to learn more about coaching. And have a great rest of you guys' week. I'll see you guys on Saturday. And take care.